Glowing in hues of blue, violet and indigo, Tanzanite is a precious stone that can only be found in northern Tanzania. Some say it's rarer than a diamond, and yet the country hasn't found a way to capitalize on its allure. Over 90% of the stones that are produced are exported and polished abroad, mainly in India. That means that the Tanzanian government doesn't really benefit from the international sales in Tanzanite, and it's for this reason that the government in recent years has introduced local content laws trying to promote beneficiation done in Tanzania. The Tanzanite trade is worth $50 million, a small figure compared to other gems. Retailers believe the trend will eventually shift.
At the moment, Tanzanite is not found so deep under the earth. But as it's going, it's getting exhausted. We'll need to go deeper and deeper. Going deeper is more expensive. That means the prices will have to rise.
Mining companies still need a little more convincing that as an industry, Tanzanite has a bright future. And so mining operations remain fairly basic. This is set to be the most modern and mechanized mine in the sector. And yet part of the digging and loading is done manually. Back-breaking work. Geologists find it hard to estimate the exact number of reserves for Tanzanite in the country. That requires more exploration work, and that would mean the mine must make more money. Without these forecasts, investors are loath to put their money into a venture like this because they can't forecast future profits. And so it seems that the slow growth of Tanzanite mining is a function of big risk for little reward.
Historically, it's been proven that it can be a profitable operation despite the difficulties, and I think that's what's still drawing in the investment. Tanzania has a very solid mining code. The trickier aspect of mining in this deposit is adherence to the code by other partners and stakeholders in surrounding mining claims.
A reference to the small artisanal mines located just a few meters away from the formal operator. These are makeshift shafts run by locals and foreigners. Some have mining licenses. The rest are allegedly smugglers selling the gems on the black market. On this busy road in town, gemstone brokers ply their trade. They refuse to be filmed and will only speak on condition of anonymity.
I have been trading Tanzanite for 10 years now. The major challenges we are facing here is harassment from government. So we plead with them to find us a place we can operate, because here we are harassed every day.
For now, retailers can't tell the difference between legal and illegal stones. The government is trying to introduce certificates of origin. More needs to be done.
We need to secure the area so that smugglers and criminals can be put away from that place. But overall, the mining licenses and etc. are regulated. So I'm saying the government is trying their best, but I'm sure there's small things they could do to make it happen even better.
Making Tanzanite mining better on the face of it would seem a simple task. Other areas of mining in Tanzania, such as gold for instance, are better managed with good policies, tax breaks and incentives. So one would expect that for Tanzania's most unique treasure, everything would be done to support it. Lerato Mbele, BBC News, Arusha.